What's cracking, Jump Nation family? Got a quick message before the start of today's video. It is of course vlog 100 and we are revealing the new Rush Athletics HQ, aka Fly City. I'm super excited, guys. Can't wait for you guys to see it, and we're hoping to see you guys on January the 14th where we have an official launch party. So come down, check us out. Hope you sit back, relax and enjoy this amazing edit by my man Nathan. Peace. It could be the one, man. So like, we're gonna go check it out, see the vibes, set the wheels in motion, as they say, innit? This could be it, bruv. I reckon it could work. It's kind of a weird experience, man. It's bad when you start from like a little room in your house, and then you kind of just feel like it's not enough. The world of skipping gets bigger, and so we have to go to the next level, and create history, man.